If you're planning a bad hair day, don't copy this guy. He survived 7 lightning strikes, no joke. Meet Roy C. Sullivan, a Virginia park ranger, nicknamed the Human Lightning Rod. Between 1942 and 1977, he was hit 7 times, millions of volts, and earned a Guinness World Record. Odds, astronomical, consequences, burns, broken ribs, weird fame, people even avoided him. He survived the storms outside, but battled storms inside too, passing away in 1983. Wild, tragic, utterly unforgettable.